started. Today's topic is DOS, module number 10. Theory finished, right? Only lab you have to do.
Okay.
Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. I'll open the 11 to 20. This time we're going to next mind map. I have two mind maps. Oops. Yeah, 11 to 20 mind map. I mean, we are going to next now. This is the last lab in this 1 to 10. 11 to 20 we are going. So, let's start. So, how many? We have two labs, no? Testing and
HPing is done, sir. Cane enable we did yesterday. Wireshark was
enable is
yesterday.
missing, sir. No. Scaling enable is missing.
Sin flood using HPing. Yeah.
Uh, Today we have to start SIM flood and HOIC. Remember?
Yeah.
So
HOIC.
this is gone now. It's not there. I told you DOS you do it with HOIC. The two labs you have to do.
Okay.
Remember
DDoS
this?
using. Yeah, but yesterday what we had written down, DDoS, KF sensor.
KF sensor, now that is the tool they removed. They put HOIC. Yesterday we saw that.
Okay.
I'll show you again. Yesterday we saw that. First is this is one. Second one is HPN. Okay, that's being able. Second lab. The next one is this one. Using distributed DOS only using HOIs. Okay. So there's the total three labs are there. In these two we are going to do now.
Okay.
We start from second lab. Lab. So two labs only. You have to finish two labs. Then we will go to lab number 11. Module number 11, which is nothing but session hijacking. That session hijacking, we have only one lab. Okay.
Okay. So can we do theory first, then we'll go to this lab?
Which one, sir?
Can we do the next theory and then come to this lab towards the end? I'm just asking. Or if you want to finish this module, then we'll go ahead with the labs.
Why you want theory? DOS attack we need to finish now.
Okay, we'll do
You
that.
want to start session hijacking theory now.
Okay.
For me, no problem. I can teach anything, whatever you want. And the problem is, last theory we finished. We need to use it. No. What is the reason of going theory again?
No, sir. I was just asking, sir. That's okay, sir. We'll do that. Yeah.
No logical. So what we did last class was, last topic was theory of DOS, DDoS. Okay. In that two labs are there. We'll finish it. It's all small labs. Not take much time. This is 5 minutes lab. Next is 25 minutes. Okay. Half an hour. We'll finish this, then we'll go to the session hijacking module 11, new module.
Okay.
Let me start. Control.
Control is there. Okay.
I given you.
HPing 3 is a command line oriented network scanning and packet crafting tool for the TCP/IP protocol that sends ICMP echo requests and supports TCP, UCP, UDP, ICMP, and raw IP protocols. In a SYN attack, the attack sends a large number of SYN requests to target server victim with a fake source IP address. The attack creates incomplete TCP connections that use network resources. SYN flooding attack um, occurs when the intruder sends unlimited SYN packets to the host system. Process of transmitting such packets is faster than the system can handle. Normally, the connection establishes with the TCP three-way handshake. Host keeps track of partially open connections while waiting for the response packets in the listening queue. When a host receives a SYN request from another host, it must keep track of partially open connection in a listen queue for at least 75 seconds. A malicious host can exploit hosts managing any partial connections by sending many SYN requests. Um, and To the host at once. The system cannot open new connections until it drops some entries from the connection queue due to handshake timeout. Um, Due to handshake timeout, this ability of holding up each incomplete connection for 75 seconds can be cumulatively used in a DOS attack. This attack uses fake IP addresses, so it's difficult to trace the source. An attacker can fill the table of connections even without spoofing the source of the source IP address. As an expert ethical hacker and security administrator of the organization, you should have sound knowledge of DOS and DDoS attacks, and you should be able to detect and neutralize the attack handlers. You should use the SYN cookies as the countermeasure against the SYN flood, which eliminates the source resources allocated on the target host. The objective of this lab is to help the students learn, perform DOS attacks and huge amount of SYN packets continuously on Windows 10. Okay. Is this your machine or its machine, sir? Did I say yes? Sir? Hello?
You
It
want to
says,
make
do
it
you
big?
want?
Okay, okay. Okay.
Wireshark main window appears here. Ethernet, leave the Wireshark open and running. Should I skip, sir?
Hmm.
Hello?
Skip, skip.
This is open.
Kali.
Kali Linux machine.
Mhm.
Space.
Paste.
I said space, sir. Two.
Two more times. Two more times. Three more.
Oh, this is done. Navigate to applications, click on information gathering node, click on live host identification, click ping applications, information gathering, click on live host identification, click ping, hping 3, live host information gathering node, click live host identification. There is no live host identification here. Let me go and see this. Information gathering, okay. it is. Live host identification. HPing 3. HPing utility starts in the command shell as shown in the screenshot. Sign 100 packets per second, 100 packets per second. This is different, sir.
Different
Same,
away.
right?
Different.
No, no, the screenshot is different.
Why? Why? What is different? Show me. Screenshot. Show me. What is different in this?
X microseconds, you 1010 packets per second, 100 packets per second.
Okay. 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 It's not there in the screenshot.
It's not there in the screenshot.
Why? Come down. Okay.
Can you close it, sir? I'll close it and relaunch again. One second.
Why? No. 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 Why? Yeah.
Maybe I clicked on something else, sir.
Okay. Okay. That's it. It's correct. Correct only.
Okay. The screenshot is different. Let me go ahead and see that then.
What is different? Show me. Wait. Wait. I'll see the screenshot. Okay. Usage has been host option. The mode TCP, TCP, beginning of the level, beginning therefore. You are in the end.
Okay.
One minute I'll do it. Why it is okay? Saying wrong again. Hmm. Tell me, sir. Now what is wrong? Now comparative.
Now it's showing 1000 packets per second, 10 packets per
See,
second.
what happens is when you give the result will come and come here now. But go up and see, right? The beginning. See, they screenshot this starting. You are seeing ending. The two-page output.
Okay. Hmm, hmm, hmm.
This is the first page. You have to go up and see like this.
Okay. Okay.
You understand? You
Got it,
went to
sir.
last page and saying that's not matching, not matching, not matching. Now compare.
Got it, sir. I saw that.
Mm.
Numeric output quiet interface name. Control is with you, sir.
Same. I
Same, sir.
click, 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 click. Click.
Ah, HPing 3 minus S 10.10.10.10 space minus A.
You read all
Calling
the
this
things
is
and no. Now see what you're doing. What you're doing is you started typing now. What I told you, please go through this, read it, understand this, see the screenshot, then start doing the activity, right?
okay, sir. Okay,
But
sir.
you have started doing again same thing. You're just typing starting.
So I thought I'll type that command
No,
and
no,
then
no,
read
no,
the
no,
result.
no. That's be wrong, na. You be mistake now. There is a mistake in the command. See, if you are doing right, I will not tell anything. I'll be very silent. Okay. That's why I'm telling you, please go through one time, see the screenshot, understand it, then start doing. Mistake will be less. You got it, huh?
Got it, sir.
You just follow the steps. Read it, understand what they are trying to say, then do it. Start the activity.
Uh,
Use the command
IP
in
address
command
also.
shell type thing and the flag
In
enter initiates this sync initiates the sync flooding
flooding
in Windows 10. Understand? Okay, what
Windows
is
10.
doing
Yeah,
is
yeah.
initiating the sync from Windows 10. Leave the sync from window or switch to Windows 10 machine. Okay. In this lab, the IP address of the Windows is 10.10.10.10 and 10.10.10.11. What is 10.10.10.11? Refers to the IP address of the Kali attacker machine. Now, two things. There are two addresses there. One is 10.10.10.10.
10, 10, 11.
Another one is 11 is there. So attacker machine is 11. So now see the command one time. Screenshot. Then type it. Screenshot get given na. Yeah, just see that. Okay, this is the command. Things server 10.10.10. So can you tell them minus 2 and space 100 W. Okay. Now type. Now this is it. I'm ready. I understood what I'm doing. Then I'm doing. Correct na.
Got it, sir.
This is the flow you follow. Right. Next, you have to go to Windows 10 machine. Leave this helping window as it is. Go to Windows 10 machine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Windows 10 machine. The okay. This is done.
Yeah. Back to instructions. Maximize this. Come back to instructions. Yeah. 10. Step number 10.
It's not maximizing.
Because it's flooding, na?
Yeah, yeah. It's
It
actually
becomes
stuck. I
slow.
guess.
That flood. It becomes slow. So you can see now that
HTTP
continuously flood is happening.
continuation. Yeah, yeah. The continuation of the
Go down,
bulk
go down.
maximum.
Screenshot, screenshot,
It's gone. It's
screenshot.
gone.
It's gone error. Okay.
It's gone.
Okay. This is the point here. This continuously sending like this. Due to that, your Wireshark got error also. Hanged.
The Wireshark won't take it.
Got hanged. Yeah, error आ गया. Listen, go down. Go down in the Wireshark. Wireshark stopped also.
Stop, sir. It's gone.
That's it, finished. Understood? No, this is called DOS attack.
Okay, okay. On completing the lab exercise, it automatically exits. See the short ones.
To do faster, we can see actually. You are very slow. That's why that got, meanwhile, it got
Only
flooded.
4 hours
You
of
can see
sleep, sir.
actually.
That's why I thought, okay, let me do it slow.
4 hours
Otherwise,
of sleep. Huh?
uh,
So what time you wake up today?
I woke up at around 8 o'clock.
I wake up at 3:30.
So you are a star. You used to it. I'm not used to it. That's the problem.
I wake up at
Next, sir.
3:30, 4 o'clock. Done, sir. Next lab. This is done. Understood, no?
Yeah, got it, sir.
Okay. So what did you go back? Go back. There is something you missed again. Read that. Last one. Last step you missed. Yeah. Step number 11.
On completing lab exercise, exit all applications. I told
Okay.
all the application files open during the lab. Cancel this lab
Okay.
session and relaunch a new session. Oh,
Uh,
Kali Linux is open.
so no Kali Hili. Full lab session you have to cancel. Go right side and end the session and start again. New.
Here,
Yes. End. Why it is saying end? Because that guy is attacking now. If you keep like this and start doing our next lab, that the system will keep on hanging. Understand? No.
got it, sir.
That's why they're telling please close the session and open again. So we'll have not having this attacking because this environment is now attacked environment. We cannot consider the lab.
Mm,
Understand? No?
mm.
You have to. One option is you can go to Kali and press Control C. Control C means attack will stop there. Okay,
Okay.
that we can do. Otherwise, we can do like this forward method. But they are telling to follow this method. You want to stop the attack? What you do? Go to Kali and press Control C in the command window. Then the attack will stop. Or it's
Right,
actually
sir.
attacking. Understand? No, Kali is attacking actually.
Got it, sir.
So to stop that, they are telling to restart.
So they are actually, oh, okay. Because that Kali is continuously stream flooding, it would have already gone for
DOS,
attacks.
no, DOS attack is going on. No, that means this input is happening. If you start next lab, the OS will not work. OS will hang. Network will hang.
Mm, mm, mm.
Got it, no?
Got it, sir.
Next one. Today I need to take my wife to hospital. Checkup. 9 months, na?
Okay. Mm, mm.
So maybe 1 o'clock. We need to 1 hour little bit early also. Depends on her appointment. I need to leave. Maybe after 12:30 only. That is okay.
Sure, sir, sure.
I'll let you know. 1 o'clock. But appointment is early, no doctor because doctors are not available nowadays. No?
Mm.
Since appointment is early, I need to go 12:45 or 12:30. Okay. Hmm. Maximus. Tomorrow. Yeah. Ready.
Starting soon.
Maximus. Maximus. Maximus is
Maximize
Maximus is
button is
double
not
click.
coming, sir.
Double click.
Not able
Double
to
click.
see
Double
it.
click. Double click. Double click. Yeah. Double click. Okay. Hmm. Now go to third exercise. Exercise 3. Yeah. 4. 3 done. 4. Yeah. Okay.
HOIC. HOIC. Okay.
H-O-I.
HOIC is a network stress and DDoS attack application. This tool is written in basic language. Oh, it's designed to attack up to 256 target URLs simultaneously. It sends HTTP post get requests on the at the computer that uses lulls inspired GUIs. DDoS is a sophisticated and complex attack based on the DOS attack and multiple distributed attack sources. In a DDoS attack, a large number of compromised computers are involved to interrupt or suspend network services. As defined by the World Wide Web Security FAQ, a distributed denial of service attack may use computers to launch coordinated DOS attacks against one or more targets. Using client server technology, the perpetrator is able to multiply the service effectiveness of the denial of service significantly by harnessing the resources of multiple unwitting and complex computers, which serve as attack platforms. The flood of incoming messages to target system essentially forces it to shut down, thereby denying the service to legitimate users. These attacks come from various machines that can be in the same location or various other locations, botnet kind of a thing, right? As large number of zombies participate in this attack, the enormous amount of traffic is directed to the victim machine, resulting in temporary or permanent damage of its resources. As an expert ethical hacker penetration tester, you must be aware of all types of DOS attempts and prevent them from affecting information systems. The objective of this lab is to help students to learn how to perform DDoS attack in this case HTTP flooding. Windows Server 2012. Click on Control Alt Delete. we get CH module. Z CH module 10 denial of service. This DDoS and DOS and DDoS attack tools. Sir, I actually enrolled for that courses that you sent in the morning. Cyber security expert in 19 minutes or something like that, right?
Free
You
only.
would have you sent it on the group, right?
Yeah, yeah, it's free.
I don't know how it came free.
They are giving, everybody is giving free. But it's a small course. Your LinkedIn also free is there. Free courses are all this online courses. They're giving free courses also. Just to
Hmm.
attract marketing point. Marketing.
Because people are at home, right? That's why.
It's always there. Yeah. At the beginning it is there.
Oh, it says
Marketing to attract you. Understand, na?
hmm.
So inside that, then you have to.
We have to copy this folder to the desktop, sir.
Yeah. Copy paste. Why only 4 hours you're sleeping?
Assignment preparation, exam yesterday.
What is that?
It's a small exam. After the course completes, right? One level completes, we have to give an exam for seeing the understanding. So I
Mm-hmm.
scored 21 out of 25. Three silly mistakes I did. Then they sat discussing the entire paper actually. But 200 people are there, sir. It starts at 9 o'clock because they trade in the daytime, right? They cannot teach us in the daytime. So they come at the night at 9 o'clock
Oh, very good. Very good.
and it starts like that.
Very good, yeah. How much you paid for the course?
I paid 77,000 for that.
77,000.
Yeah. So it's a 4 months course.
So what job you'll get in that?
We don't need to have do job. That's the
What,
main
no, no, no.
objective.
What job you'll get?
So you can sit
Means
at home and
not working in the company. Huh?
you don't need to work in a company. You sit and trade, make money, keep put it in the pocket and go. That's it.
So what is the job profile?
You pick
Profile.
stocks. You become a trader, sir.
Your
You
profile
become
is
a full time. You become a full time trader. That's it. Full time trader trading in stocks, commodities,
okay, okay.
currencies.
Now, for example, once you finish this, I can ask you like, I have some money. Can I put it in a stock? Means you'll help me on putting in the stock.
I can do that. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Understand. So I'm asking you because I never put any money in stock till now. Okay, I bought house. Huh? But house only I'm paying all the things. The house is finished. Huh?
Same mistake that all the middle class is doing. We have also done. You have
So,
also done. I have also done.
so now gold, something land. I'm planning to distribute my now. First priority was to finish the loan because it was 45K per month. It was there.
Yes.
So that was too much for me. So I finished it. Now I'm planning for distributed investments. Okay, what is the plan?
You should put mutual funds SIP.
Yeah, yeah, I'll tell you. We'll discuss about that. Once
Does
I have
that?
money, I'll discuss.
Sure.
And now what you say is
This one is coming. Today this is
this is basically yeah. This is basically just telling you to accept. Hmm. Nice, yeah.
the problem is we keep joining places and they're throwing testers out the first time when whatever first opportunity comes, they'll throw the testers out. So thinking of like making a stable job.
Correct, correct. That is important. Now I took training for that only. So training is my stable job. Understand, no?
Mm.
I also throwed here so many times. Okay. So then I decided to start training. So training is a never ending job, no?
It's there forever, sir.
That's why
So
training is
I
a permanent job. Search a job in company. See that if I didn't train, I'm always training till end.
you're always training now, sir. Yeah.
Yeah, that is the one profession I selected. So night and day, daily morning I'll teach. Saturday, Sunday I'll teach. So work I'll work. Yeah, work I'll work. Teaching is.
You have to copy that in both the target mission as well as
Yeah,
this
yeah.
one.
You're making zombies actually. You understand?
Okay. Okay.
Making zombie 10 machines. You're copying this. For example, read 1,000 machines. You copy. Understand? All installing that cannon. Cannon. So after that, you start that from the cannon. From all the zombies at a time.
Okay. Okay. Oh, that's name is Canon. Okay.
Cannon, yeah. Okay, okay.
Canon.
Biringi. Biringi, right? In Tamil. Cannon is Biringi, no?
This window seat is. Ah, ama.
Biringi.
Birangi. Birangi.
Yeah, that is high orbit iron
Mm.
tank. Tank. We say tank. General word is tank. We used to play one video game. Game.
Ah, I remember.
In that game, tank will come. Hmm? You can shoot and go. Tap, tap. Childhood we used to
Used to be
play.
a very good game.
That game.
Even I have played it.
Yeah.
Small. I think 80s and 90s kids have seen both outdoor games as well as the video games.
Games are not. That time it was skillful actually. We used to use skill. Okay.
Ah, it was,
Nowadays
yeah.
more graphical nowadays. More graphical, more interactive. Uh, too much.
Just a minute, sir. I'll get some coffee. Will open my eyes.
Interesting, huh? You want to
No,
take
sir.
some? You want to
Little. It's, no, 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 no. I want to complete this. Tactics for completing. I'll just grab one half cup coffee. I'll come and sit and continue.
okay.
Coffee will open my eyes. Already this right click is making problem. It's not allowing me to minimize also. It started. 1 minute. I'll just grab coffee and come, sir. Give me a minute. Copying. Navigate to hike and then copy it on desktop. 9 is complete. Hello. Kudu. Oh, thanks. Oh my God, super. Hello, hello, hello. I'll continue, sir. Hike GUI appears on the screen. Click plus below in the targets. Okay. Hike target pop-up appears. Type the target URL, HTTP, IP address of the target machine. Which hospital you're going, sir?
It's very fun. This
Apollo. Hello.
wife is she's having her own clinic.
Okay, okay.
Her name is Sri Lekha. She's having one clinic near to our house.
Oh, okay, okay.
For uh, pregnancy test.
Like hike, click add. Follow the steps from 10 to 13 to Windows 10 and Windows 8 machines. Okay. Windows 10, Windows 8 machines. Instructions. Follow the instructions from 10 to 13. Windows 10 and Windows 8 machines. Windows 10, Windows 8 machine next. Okay, this is also done. Windows 8 also is done. Once you have configured hike on all three machines, switch to each machine and fire the laser. Okay, I'll do it from here first. Windows 12 machine, fire the laser.
Started firing, huh? Everybody.
Ah, firing. All three machines fired up. Go to Kali Linux. If you see blue screen plus space bar and login, already we would have logged in. Space. Okay. Double click ETH network adapter to start the capturing.
Hmm. Kaliki. Kaliki, huh?
No, sir, it is not opening.
Not open here. Attack started.
Yeah, attack started. It's slow.
Yeah, it will be slow only because everybody is attacking now.
Large volume of packets, which means the
Only
Windows is
started.
experiencing a
Attack.
huge.
See, you only started the
Yeah,
attack now. Then it will be slow only, right? Understood or not?
got it, sir.
Hmm.
Only it's slowing. It says wait for 10 minutes, 5 minutes.
Gone. 10 minutes hang over there.
I'll stop the capture. Let me see. Completion other click the fire the laser again and then close the hike window in all the attacker machines. Go to resources, go to Windows 10, Windows 8, stop this. Fire the laser. Okay, Windows 10. I'll close this. Close this. Windows 8 machine. Stop the laser. Close this. And close this. Windows 2012. Fire the laser. Stop this. Stop this. And go back to Kali. And then come back to instructions. Exit all the applications. It's already slowed down. Now it will be
Maximize the screen and you can see that all the attack. Everybody is pinging.
okay. Oh, 11 to 8, 10 to 11, 12 to 11. Got it, sir. Close it.
Okay. Screenshot.
Huh?
Screenshot is making, yeah? Screenshot.
Yeah. Screenshot I opened and saw, sir. Compare this one also. Hello.
Screenshot is matching, right?
Yeah, it's matching.
Okay, done.
I'll close this.
Close, close. Finish the.
Closing, sir. It's still slow. I don't know why.
No need to do that. Close here, end. We are
It says
worry about.
close all the window and all, right? So it
Fine,
says
finish
ended.
the.
Yeah.
Yeah. Close. End, end.
Clicking, sir. It's not coming. Yeah. I think it's slowed down. Let me check.
There is a problem.
Ping 8.8.8.8. Enter. 43 milliseconds. Let me change the internet. I'll put a geo. Just 1 minute, sir. I'll just change it to you. Be better.
We finished a 10 minutes break now. Okay.
Hello.
Yeah.
Sir, I'll fix it, sir.
Close, close. Close the window and start the next lab. Session model 11.
Session hijacking, huh? Why is it saying complete, complete?
Uh-huh. What is saying?
Why is it? It says complete, right? Okay. Somebody would have already run it. No, it says complete,
Just now you
complete.
completed, no? Just now you completed, no?
Yeah, yeah.
Just now you completed lab, no?
No, no, session hijacking was also saying complete. That's why.
Oh,
Uh.
this is actually our login when I
Hmm.
again application. No? That time they purchased. So that again purchased two times, three times. Same
Okay,
thing that
okay.
this
Already launched, right? It's in some other. Okay, yeah.
is. Okay, let us start off. You want to take some 5 minutes break? Thierry?
We can take. Sir, I'll fix the Geo internet and then come back, sir.
Okay, I'll start one 10